Install bumper spike. Install gasket. Put bar and chain. The step is very important. Ensures the chain runs true, cuts smoothly, and operates safely. Make sure you assembled it. Ready? The necessary tools for installation are all included with Proyama. Ensure the chain moves freely and is neither too loose nor too tight.
Proyama test. The H screw turned in another quarter turn for a total of 1/2 turn turned in. Seems to be a success. I can work the saw harder. I can still stop it, but I can work it much harder. So, seems to be pretty good.